Today, we are making a paper dog. What you'll need for this craft is some paper, preferably cardstock, but any paper will do. You'll need a pencil and a black marker. You'll also need some scissors and a glue stick. To get started, draw your dog shapes. This can be a head and body, ears, legs, a tail, a collar, maybe a hat, anything you want. This is your dog and you can make them look however you like. Maybe you want to draw this dog based on your real dog, or maybe you want to draw a dog that's completely out of your imagination. When you've finished drawing all the parts of your dog, you can outline the shapes with a black marker. This step is optional though, so if you'd like, you can skip it and go straight to coloring your dog. When you've finished coloring your dog, it's time to cut out the pieces. After cutting out all the pieces, use a glue stick to assemble your dog and glue the pieces on. When you've finished putting your dog together, you're finished.